integrated into your sales presentation. Step 2 is adverbrand. Adverbrand everything you do. What is adverbrand? It's a term, I guess we kind of made it up. It means advertise your brand. Don't let one thing go out of your shop without having your name on it somewhere, preferably somewhere visible. Now, I know you can't always put your name loud and clear on someone's banner or someone's signage because, you know, it's going to conflict and all that, but put it on there somewhere. Put it on the back if you have to. Put it on the edge. Give a little discount if they will let you co-brand it with them and get a little corner of it so that every person that walks by who might be entrepreneurial minded, who might have a cause to promote of their own or a business to promote, can see that they got that sign, that media frame, that type of whatever it is from you. Adverbrand everything. I mean, think about the clothing companies do it. Nike doesn't do shoes without the swoosh. Hey, they do it, right? I know this. I owned a company called 1-800-GREAT-AD for a number of years, and this company was predicated on this whole concept. In 6 years, we went from zero revenue to $4.5 million in revenue. National sales promotions, grand openings, giant balloons, billboard trucks, all that kind of thing. 1-800-GREAT-AD was on everything. So if anybody saw one of our trucks or one of our balloons on a roof, and believe me, they did, they call 1-800-GREAT-AD. And one time I remember got a call from someone in Corona, California, and we had a customer in Corona that used our balloons for all their promotions. They put the balloon on the roof, and you know, when they'd have a Birkenstock sale selling shoes. One year I got a call, and the guy said, look, I come through here every year. Last year I came through this 91 freeway, and there was this place, and they had this certain kind of shoes, and I don't know where they are, but I remember seeing a balloon that said 1-800-GREAT-AD, and I'm calling you right now to see if you can help me find that place. So what's the point? Oh, we help sell shoes? No, the point is it works. If you get something, it doesn't have to be the phone number, but your name on your stuff so that people know where to get it. Now you might think, well, they're going to know they bought it from me the first time, but how many times do companies have personnel changes? People get fired, they go somewhere else, or that sign gets moved to somewhere else, and you know, personnel changes all the time. So, brand every single thing you do. Don't make people have to guess where to get the product that you sold. You work too hard for those sales. Put your name on it, put your phone number on it, so that even if it's a year or 2 years, 5 years down the road, somebody opens that package or looks at that and goes, where am I going to get one of these? And go, oh, here's the company right here. Don't let anything go out of your shop without your name on it. We're Ackland Media Frames. We're here to help. We're out to become your #1 vendor. Have an awesome day.